Hello and welcome again to this quick tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your Linux system password. So if you're using a Linux operating system and you are new to Linux, you don't know how to do the basic things. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can change your basic password. So to change the password, there is two way we can do that. If you're using a graphical user interface, I mean the desktop environment, then you can just go to the setting over here. In this case I am using Ubuntu. So as you can see, there are some users that I have created in my last video. So we are going to change the password for this particular user called Sam. Okay, so either you can do it from here or you can do it from the command line interface also. As you can see, it's very easy from here. If you just click over here and give the password of the current user, and if you click over here, it's basic steps like asking for new password, okay, or like then confirm the password and changes. It's very easy. So if you can want to do this, then just let me give a password for this particular agent. Then it changes. Okay, the password is changed now. But what happen if you don't have any desktop environment? In that case, let me show you in the terminal. Okay, so this is the terminal right now of my Ubuntu desktop. So I'm going to change the password for the Sam. Okay, so to do that we are going to type sudo, type password D, then Sam, then hit enter. Now it's asking for the password of the current user, means this user Pintu, because we are using the sudo command. So let me just put the password and hit enter. Okay, after that it's asking for new password that we are going to set to this user Sam. So I'm going to type, then again type that to reconfirm, and the password is now updated successfully. So you can use this particular password command to change the any user password. You can particularly use this. If you learn anything from this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.